In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the language in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to change the language in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's proceed with the steps. Open Notion on your device. Locate the Settings and Members option in the top left corner of your screen. Click on Language and Region. You'll find various language options available, such as English, Korean, Japanese, French, and German. Select your preferred language from the available options. Notion might have limited language choices currently, but choose the one that suits you best. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tutorials and information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.